This is the most important video you'll ever watch about attracting women. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology of attraction, breaking down exactly what it takes to make any girl, no matter who she is, fall for you, obsess over you, and love you with all her heart. If I had to sum up the secret to captivating a woman's heart in one word, that word would be drama. Drama is the magic spark that ignites her emotions, makes her think about you before she falls asleep, and ensures she wakes up thinking of you. It's the secret sauce to making her stay attached to you, desiring you more and more with every interaction. But what exactly is drama? Listen closely because this will redefine how you think about attraction. Women are emotional beings, drawn to the highs and lows of feelings. Their hearts aren't captured by logic or reason, but by the roller coaster of emotions. So how do you become the source of these emotions? That's the key. You must create and control the emotions she feels, becoming the center of her emotional universe. There are 8 core emotions you must master to unlock her heart. These emotions trigger love hormones that make her feel deeply attached to you, ensuring she stays invested in you for the long term. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand these emotions, but also know how to stir them deliberately. You'll be ahead of 99% of men who have no idea how to capture a woman's heart. Let's begin. 1. Excitement, the spark of attraction. Excitement is created by combining attention with just the right amount of indifference. This balance keeps her emotionally engaged and intrigued by you, but most men either overwhelm her with constant compliments, making themselves appear desperate, or criticize her outright, which only creates resentment. However, the right approach is to master the art of subtlety. Compliment her but add a playful twist. Critique her but soften it with charm. Here's an example. Instead of saying, "You look stunning in that dress," or "That dress doesn't suit you," try, "You look beautiful in that dress, but you'd look even better in pink." This approach does 2 things. It shows you're paying attention, a compliment. It introduces a small challenge, a critique, sparking her emotions. The key is to alternate between showing interest and pulling back slightly. When you master this, she'll never feel too comfortable, always wondering what you'll say or do next. 2. Fun and spontaneity, be the life of her world. A woman should associate you with excitement and positivity. Every interaction should feel like an adventure. Here are 3 steps to creating fun. Enjoy yourself. First, don't try too hard to entertain her. Instead, focus on having fun yourself. When you're genuinely happy, relaxed, and spontaneous, your energy becomes contagious. Share your passions. Talk about what excites you. Passion is magnetic. Whether it's travel, music, or your work, let her see your enthusiasm. Remember, she feels what you feel. Turn negativity into positivity. Point out a flaw or something negative, then flip it into a compliment. For example, "Do you always wear this much makeup, or is it just for special occasions?" "Don't worry, you still look cute." This creates a playful dynamic that keeps her engaged and laughing. Third mystery, the power of unanswered questions. Mystery is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. When a woman doesn't have all the answers about you, she'll think about you constantly. Here are techniques to create mystery, unfinished conversations. Leave her hanging at the peak of curiosity. For example, "I just realized something fascinating about you, but I'll tell you later." There are 2 things I hate about women. The first is when they don't say what they mean. The second, "Well, I'll tell you when you're ready." End the date on a high note. Never let a date drag on to the point of boredom. End it when the excitement is at its peak. Leave without promising another meeting. This will keep her wondering and replaying the best moments in her mind. Fourth challenge, make her work for you. Women value what they have to earn. If you're too easy to get, she'll lose interest. Show her that you're a man of principles and self-respect. Here's how to create a challenge. Disagree confidently. Don't be afraid to express your opinions or stand your ground. Women respect men who are not afraid to challenge them. Be willing to walk away. Never compromise your values just to keep her. For example, if she threatens to leave, respond with confidence. "I understand. Maybe you and John would be a better match." This signals high value and makes her work harder to keep you. 5. Jealousy, a double-edged sword. A little jealousy keeps her on her toes, making her see you as a prize. How to spark healthy jealousy. If she asks if you're seeing other women, say, "There are a few girls I spend time with, but nothing serious." Maintain friendships with other women, even if it's platonic. This shows you're desirable and in demand. However, always reassure her that she's special to you if the jealousy becomes too intense. 6. Comfort and safety. Build trust. A woman won't open her heart or body to you unless she feels safe. Here's how to build safety. Be genuine. Never pretend to be someone you're not just to impress her. Let your actions match your words. Consistency builds trust. Choose activities that naturally create a sense of security, like watching a horror movie where she'll instinctively seek comfort in you. 7. Curiosity. Keep her guessing. Always keep her intrigued by giving vague but playful answers. Examples. Her. What do you do for work? You. Guess, and if you get it right, I'll pay for dinner. Her. What are you doing this weekend? You. Something fun, but it's a secret. Gradually reveal more about yourself over time, but always maintain a degree of mystery. 8. Emotional depth. Stir her soul. Finally show her you're not just fun and exciting, but also deep and thoughtful. Share stories or moments that reveal your vulnerabilities and aspirations. This will create a powerful emotional bond. Master these 8 emotions, and you'll have the ultimate recipe to make any woman attracted to you. Remember, balance is key. Overplaying any one emotion will make the interaction predictable and dull. Stay mysterious, unpredictable, and confident, and she'll find it impossible to resist you. Do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the post notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.